Hello everyone, I'm Professor Halsey and I'm here to assist you with Introduction to Digital Devices, CEIS114. Let's jump in, and again, I'm Professor Halsey. I'll be your professor for this course, although you have a team of professors that are available to assist you. And I will show you how to access those resources here by going to Modules. At the top of Modules, you will see the faculty huddle hours. My hours are Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but if you click here, you can see that there is a whole group of faculty that are out here to assist you different days of the week and different times. So look at the chart and just see what time best fits your availability, and you can jump in any of those sessions for homework assistance, not just homework, but the assignments. We shouldn't call it homework anyway, because all of those are assignments. So you jump in, ask any kind of questions, just talk to the professor in the session. They love to have you jump in, so feel free to attend any of those sessions. All right, then back over here in modules, in our introduction section under live lessons, you'll see here that I meet on campus with a group Monday nights at 6:30 p.m. Eastern in Decatur, Georgia. So this session here is only for those students who are attending that live class, but anybody in my class is welcome to jump in that session if they want to. No guarantees on what you're going to see or be able to hear, because sometimes in the room, it depends on the setup, how well things get transmitted. But then on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m., we meet with the team of professors in the Engagely classroom. Okay, and that again is on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is the team class, and each week a different professor will be presenting. And for 114, I don't think I'm down to present, but again, I'll be presenting each Monday night at 6:30 live in Decatur. So feel free to join either one of those sessions. And just so you know, people who join the live sessions tend to do a lot better in the classes because we walk you through the material and set you up for success. We want you to make an A in this course. I would be happy if everybody made an A this session. I would be ecstatic. I would feel like the biggest winner ever. So make sure and jump in those live sessions or come here and watch the recordings as well. You click on the same link to get to the recordings. You just click here and look up top and it'll say playback room, and you go into a playback room and you'll see all the recordings that are available. Okay. Another thing I want to point out is that most of your questions that you have will probably be answered in announcements. So if you come to announcements, I post a lot of the information that you need there to be successful in the class. How to attend on live, on-site versus online. What's the difference? Welcome to the class. If you haven't watched the welcome video yet, make sure you get in there and see that. All right. Please answer the 3 questions and post the answers in the as a reply in the discussions, and this will be your first discussion post for this week. Thank you very much, and I look forward to helping you this session.